The biggest enemy for cooling appliances and heat pumps? Frost and dirt. To solve this problem, Diehl Controls is turning to artificial intelligence. In the future, AI in our systems will be able to detect early signs of frost and dirt buildup, providing the user with timely service alerts. That way, our customers can produce efficient products that last longer and get the right maintenance at the right time. We stand for high quality and ensure your products always work. In the future, AI will help us do that even better.
Diehl. Far more than you think.